Welcome back to Day 1 German, episode 16 of 20. I'm Felix, and this is it, the final week. Understanding real news.
And I'm Leonie. Here's the thing about news, Felix. Most of it already happened, so this week starts with the past tense. Don't worry. We only need you to recognize it, not build it.
And a date for your diary. 4 days from now, you graduate, and your daily German news podcast is waiting for you. More on that at the end. Today's sentence is as big as headlines get. Real news speed.
Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt, der Krieg ist vorbei. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt, der Krieg ist vorbei.
Listen to the heart of the sentence, he said. 2 words in German, and they're both old friends.
Hat gesagt. Hat gesagt.
Your turn. Repeat after Leonie.
Hat gesagt. Hat, has from week 1. And gesagt, that's sagt, says, from last week, wearing something new on the front.
And that's today's quirk, the most useful listening trick in this entire series. When German puts something in the past, the verb gets a little. G, hugged onto the front. Sagt becomes gesagt. Spielt becomes gespielt. Macht becomes gemacht.
Listen to the pattern. Said, played, made, done. Gesagt, gespielt, gemacht, getan. Hear it? Ge. From today, every time you hear that little syllable, your brain should whisper past. That one reflex unlocks half of every news bulletin.
So the formula for the news past is simply haben plus a G word. He has said, she has played. Your turn. Say the heart of today's sentence one more time.
Hat gesagt. Hat gesagt.
When did he say it? Yesterday. The word we flagged on calendar day.
Gestern. Gestern.
Your turn.
Gestern. And now the whole launch. The president said yesterday, with the news colon you know from last week. Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt. Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt.
Now you, out loud, cliff edge included.
Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt.
Notice one elegant little thing. The G word goes to the very end of its part of the sentence. Hat, gestern, gesagt. The verb pieces hold the middle like a frame. File that away. It comes back on Wednesday in a big way. And what did he say? The biggest words in any newspaper. The war.
Der Krieg. Der Krieg.
Your turn. Repeat after Leonie.
Der Krieg. And its opposite, the word everyone hopes for. The peace. Der Frieden. Der Frieden. Der Frieden. And the small word carrying all the relief in today's headline. Over, finished, past. Vorbei. Der Krieg ist vorbei.
The war is over. Say it after Leonie.
Der Krieg ist vorbei.
From the top, Leonie, slowly.
Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt, der Krieg ist vorbei.
The president said yesterday, the war is over. Real speed.
Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt, der Krieg ist vorbei. Your turn, the whole headline out loud. Repeat after me. Der Präsident hat gestern gesagt, der Krieg ist vorbei. Sehr gut.
Day 16. The past tense. Haben plus the G hug. Yesterday, war and peace. And it's over. Your sheet at linguawire.com/day1 has a recognition table. 20 verbs you know, with their G forms beside them. Read it once and the pattern locks in.
And today's 10-minute homework is all listening. Spot the past tense in real news clips, the single most valuable drill of the series so far.
4 days to graduation and to your first real daily episode of LinguaWire German News.
Morgen. Ein Erdbeben hat die Region getroffen.
Tomorrow, an earthquake has hit the region. Breaking news and your first 2-sentence story. See you then.
Bis morgen.